35th Avenue, 170th Street in Flushing. No one in sight. Whiteout conditions. Food market, bodega, everything is shut. Traffic light, no cars. Cloud came through probably a couple hours ago, but not for the, just the avenues, not the streets.